Hey guys, welcome. In this video, we'll learn the very basic grammar points. So let's begin. Most important points we have to remember here is number 1, noun, we call meshi in Nihongo. Second is adjectives called keoshi. Third is verb called doshi. And the fourth one is adverb called fukushi. For Jlpt N5 and beginners, we need to know about meshi, keoshi, doshi and fukushi. Now, as we already know what noun is, so here are some examples that we have. Nichiobi, hon, sensei. Sensei is a teacher, hon is book, nichiobi is Sunday. Noun is person, place or a thing. So that is what it is. Next comes the adjectives. And in Nihongo we have two kinds of adjectives, that is I keoshi and na keoshi. That is I adjective, I adjective and na adjective. Now the examples of I keoshi are aoi. Aoi means blue. Tanoshi means enjoyable. Isogashi means busy. Note this, in each of these words the ending is I. So these are the I adjectives. The next na adjectives are suteki, which means nice, hima means free, and genki means healthy. In Japanese we usually ask o genki desu ka, means are you fine or are you healthy. So this is it. Here in na adjective we have the word kirei, which means beautiful. Note this word ends with I, but it is not an I adjective, it is a na adjective. So when we need to use the word blue sky, we use aoi sora. Aoi sora. Sora is sky. But for na adjective, we cannot just use the adjective and for na adjective, whenever we use, suppose we use the word genki, that is genki means let's say a healthy person, that is hito is a person, right? Hito, we always use it as genki na hito. Attach the word na to the na adjectives. Now the third one is verb or doshi. We have three groups of verbs, group 1, group 2 and group 3. So group 1 verbs are yomimasu, nomimasu, asobimasu. Asobimasu means play, nomimasu means drink. Here, if you notice, if we check this mass form, just before the mass form, the hiragana is in I. Idan, we say idan. That is, idan means ni, ri, hi, bi. So these are the group 1 verbs, me, right? That is the verbs in idan. Similarly, the group 2 is the verbs in edan, that is be, ne, re, and the third group has kimasu and shimasu. So these are the two verbs in group 3, Kimasu and Shimasu. Now whenever we prepare sentences, we always need to modify these verbs in different forms, like we have a te form, a ta form, similarly tai form. There are many other forms. Learn this in the upcoming videos. Then the next we have is adverbs. The next we have are the adverbs, that is fukushi. The words such as totemo, sukoshi, mo. We already know what adverbs are, right? Something which modifies a verb or adjective, that is totemo. Totemo is very, like sukoshi is little, mo is already. So whenever we use the adjective, say kirei, that is beautiful, use totemo kirei, or a beautiful flower, a very beautiful flower, that is totemo kirei na hana desu. So the basic concept of verb, adjective, adverb, noun, everything remains the same. We just need to know how to use it in sentences, we just need to remember the vocab. And the easiest part is when you know this many words, you can easily speak, you can easily prepare the sentences. So that's all for today. Stay tuned for the upcoming videos. Please subscribe and have a good day.